Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. This is my new phone Samsung S20 Plus 5G and this is the box I bought from Samsung. It's the Samsung warranty and this is the sealed. Here is written do not accept if the seal is broken. Okay, so first start with this plastic off. So I'm opening this for the first time and throw the plastic off in the bin. And this is the phone. This is the box. S20 Plus 5G. Samsung warranty. Do not accept if the seal is broken. Okay guys. So opening for this for the first time with you guys. Actually I have not seen this phone in person. I like to open with you all, so you guys have seen my natural reactions. So okay, let's broken the seal first. So guys, we have broken the seal here and now I am opening with you guys. What's in the box? Oh my god, it's amazing, mashallah. It looks super nice. And okay, first we've put this aside and what's this hiding in under the box cover? Let's see what Samsung is hiding here. Ooh, it's Samsung, and let's put this aside and first we have to take a look. Yeah, this is the phone guys. See, it's amazing. Check out guys, it's beautiful. This is aura red. Okay, let's take the mobile. This is the mobile. See, this is so beautiful guys. I have choice between Samsung S20 Plus Cosmic Grey and Aura Red, but I have chosen Aura Red for the first time because I have used so many mobiles in grey and black color. So for the first time I'm switching to something different. Okay, let's go inside the box. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is the box guys. Okay, this is the box guys, and first get into it. What is this? Hey, yeah, it's 25-watt super fast charging. This is the adapter of 25 watt and we pushed it out, so like this. Okay, it really makes the difference in charging the speed. For the first time it's a 25 watt. Okay, so what's the next thing? This is nothing. This is just a placeholder to fix the accessories in the box. This is empty guys. This is empty. Okay, there is nothing. So the next thing is, what is this? Yeah, it's Type-C cable. Samsung has just released for the first time its Type-C cable. Before that they always given USB. And at the last we have the AKG earbuds. See this? because it doesn't have the headphone jack. For the first time, Samsung removed that 3.5 mm headphone jack from its mobiles, so it's like this, the Type-C charger. And yeah, it is some tips for your earbuds to adjust the size of which is comfortable in your ears. So there is nothing left in the box. Okay, put this aside. Yeah, this is the SIM ejection tool, guys, to eject the SIM. And what's inside this box is, let's take a look again. Oh, it's amazing. Samsung have given me a silicone cover. Yeah, for the protection of my phone. It's lightweight, it's cool. I will use this inshallah. And the other things, the quick start guide, right, and some useful tips and tricks for device layouts, and the device layout and the package content, and then installing a nano SIM for the first time if you are using. So Samsung guiding you how to use this and how to start a phone. Okay, this is in Arabic. And the last thing is warranty card. Yeah, this is the warranty papers, right? Okay, so let's jump into the phone. So let's focus on the phone, guys. This is the phone, right? This is amazing, and I have made the right choice, I guess. It's beautiful, mashallah, mashallah. Let's remove the plastic first and quickly. Yeah, it's super easy and quick. Check out the aura red color, guys. His body and everything, it's very lightweighted mobile actually, and you can see how much it's easy to carry. It's very handy. You can use it in one hand, and it's super amazing, I guess. Okay, let's start. So it's 6.7-inch display, 128 GB internal, 12 GB RAM. So guys, this is beautiful. So let's start this. I want to open it with you guys. That's why I'm doing everything with you. It's cool. So starting Android. Okay. Yeah, we have this. Okay, so first choose the language. English UK. Okay, continue. Check out some info to get us started. Okay, I have read everything. Okay, so it's checked all. Okay, so we go to next. First you start with the choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay. Guys, I have put the password, so the Wi-Fi is connected. Next, checking for updates. It takes a little time, so we have seen the phone in this time. This is the phone, right? First we start here. There is nothing on this side. Okay, let's see. This is the bottom of the phone. We have the mic, the USB Type-C, and this is the speaker. See? Okay. This side we have power button, and we have the volume keys. This is the up key, and this is the volume low. Phone. This is the mic, guys. and here we have the top on. This is the SIM and micro SD card holder. This is for the first time Samsung put this here. Before that it's puts here some different places like here. Okay, so copy apps and data. Don't copy. Okay, just a second. Checking info. Okay, I have to put my so guys, I have to put this email in our phone, so just give me a bit. So guys, I have put my email, my password, and now we have on this step for the 2 steps verification. So guys, I must have my another phone to open my Gmail on this. Okay, just a minute. So guys, it accepts, so I have agreed the terms. Checking info again, getting account info. The Samsung is checking my account. Just a second. Okay, the new way to talk to Google. Okay, more turn on. Okay, so what's training with the Google Assistant? Set a reminder, make a phone call, tell me a joke. Next. Okay, Google services, use location and allow scannings and usage, do domestic diagnostic data, install updates, apps, and everything I accept. Okay, so protect your phone. How you protect it, it's your choice, but I'm going to use my pattern first. Okay, so guys, this is the pattern. You can steal my phone if you want. But this is just for the opening, guys. I will change. Get recommended apps. Okay, sign into your Samsung account. Okay guys, just a minute. Okay, for first skip this step, guys. So finished, all done, finished. Okay, oh, it's amazing, mashallah. And this is, look guys, see, this is the set. Yeah, it's open, the display is amazing. And see this, the corners of the phone, the top of the phone, and the sides and the bottom. Okay, so I can show you the difference between the S20 and S20 Plus camera. It have 4 lenses, but S20 have only 3 lenses. This has 4 lenses. I will show you later the difference between S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. I have made the right choice, I guess. I am in the middle. S20 Ultra and S20 Plus have no major differences. So this is the camera, guys. You can see how much beautiful is this. It's beautiful, right? Okay, so I have another thing for showing the Samsung game. It's with the normal settings. I have to change the display settings for the best display effects, which Samsung has changed. Yeah, this is the motion smoothness we have to change. In the settings, the standard refresh rate 60 Hz, we have to choose this. High refresh rate 120 Hz. Okay, apply, and now you have seen the smoothness. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. It's beautiful. You have oh, okay, allow. There is no photo yet. Actually, obviously, we have to take a lot of photos. By this, I will take a lot of photos for you. Okay, so this is very smooth, guys. Yeah, this. not many apps, so right now it's just start. Guys, the difference of S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra is on the screens, as you can see. And S20 has 3 cameras, S20 Plus have 4 cameras, and the difference between S20 Plus and S20 Ultra is the major is just a zoom major and the battery. And S20 and S20 Plus has the difference of lens. There are 4 lenses. So first I was going for the purchase of S20 Plus. I like this more because it's very handy and it's very smooth. As you can see, it's not like 6.7 inch, it's very big screen. This is very handy. You can use the phone by your one hand. Okay, see this. Okay, let's put the silicone case on this, how it looks. Just for you guys I am showing you. Okay, it changes the color. I'm gonna not use this, I guess. I will use without the cover. It looks cool. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's syncing my setup and completing to set the Google Play Store. And okay, let's check some music, guys. Okay, this is the YouTube music. Okay, it's opening script file. We will do later. Deny. Okay, first we have it's very wear me out. Yes, guys, wear me out. Okay, so it's YouTube ad. This song is my favorite one. Okay, this is the song.
I used to think I had plenty of dreams alive in my life. So my glass was.
Okay, so these are the speakers. Okay, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We will meet you soon again with another unboxing of something good or the other driving videos. So guys, it's setting my data and my emails. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video and your time. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.